Well, hi everyone, welcome back to Electromechanical Paul. I nearly forgot, it's been a long time. Um, yeah, I still go through my phases of not having no enthusiasm, not wanting to do nothing. Then sometimes I'm in bed and I'm ill and I can't move. Then I get like silly things from eBay. So, no, it's not eBay, sorry about that, YouTube. So like, we can't pay you any money now, any money monetisation, I forget what it's called, until I've got over 1,000 subs, which I have, and so many thousand of views every time. I don't know, and I'm not. Yeah, it'd be nice to get a bit of money. I ain't got loads of money, but I've got enough to make ends meet, you know. But a little bit extra would be nice. But it just gets on my nerves that, you know. So I've just been plodding along doing my little repairs here and there, and it's only hobby work as you well know, bits and pieces. Well, I'll try and do a couple more videos here and there. You know, it has been a long time now. I have made a few videos, I just hadn't had the enthusiasm putting them on, you know. Um, but yeah, I've managed to pick up a nice set of metal drawers, because my little electronics lab, workshop, or whatever you want to call it, isn't over full, but I've got a little bit more storage now. I managed to pick up a load of LT, HT transformers and stuff, and I've got all my tools. And it got to the stage where I was repairing stuff, and I had to get up from my chair to bend over to my little toolbox thing to get tools out and stuff, and it just wasn't. So now hopefully I'll be able to turn around in my chair and get any tools out I want to out of this little storage drawer thing. It's about 4 foot high, I think, roughly. So there's probably about 10 drawers. Jess' girlfriend's out at the moment, she's getting some drawer linings. And these drawers are okay, a little bit of surface rust on the handles. And the runners need a bit of like lubrication because they squeaks you open and close the drawers. It's one made by Bisley, and quite honestly they're becoming a bit of a collector's item now. If they're in good condition, you can buy them for about £100. If they're not very good condition, you still buy them for about £50, you know. They're worth quite a bit of money and they're well made. I want to look after them, and I don't want to scratch them up or nothing, so I'm slowly going to do them up a bit and stick them in my workshop and start doing a few more videos. Hopefully. I was very enthusiastic about 2 weeks back. I was going to do this and do that, repair things, sell them on eBay. Then I just went downhill, and I've been waiting to come back out of it again, and I'm not out of it yet, but I feel a bit more want to do stuff type of thing, you know. Been thinking about perhaps hypnotherapy or something to give me a bit more enthusiasm, or so I've tried all the tablets and this and that. I'm on antidepressants. Don't seem to be doing too much either, so you know. What is that? My breathing's been a bit not quite right lately. I haven't been able to get all my breath lately, but never mind, it's all the thing of getting old, isn't it? Anyway peeps, I'm going to put this little bit of a video on the internet just to let people know that there'll probably be a few bits coming up. Yeah, Jess is coming back with some masking tape, and I've got some wire wool. There's only surface rust on these handles, so I don't want to scratch the drawers up with a wire ball, so I'll mask the handles and also mask the drawers so I can do the handles and get them nice and clean and shiny without scratching them, and go on from there. Anyway peeps, please give me a like if you want, it does help. I can't understand if you don't want to stay a subscriber, or if you want to become a subscriber, that's completely up to you. As you know, I don't say please this or beg you to do that, you know. You do what you want to do, yeah. It's been nice to get a few more subscribers, but I don't force people. I don't beg them to do nothing. Alright, peeps. So, yeah, see you again very shortly. Got a few repairs to do and a set of drawers to repair and get looking nice and sort some more tools out and you know what. Anyway, people, ta for now. See you in a bit.